And still under my first project, I have now another timeline. So you can see, you can switch forth and back from here to the intro. And here now we're gonna keep it fairly simple. Under the Edit tab, I go to Effects Library. There you have tons of different effects, and obviously we cannot go through everything here. But let's say I just want to add a simple 4-color gradient background. So you take it, grab it and drop it on your track 1 timeline. And with this one you can increase the length. Maybe our intro, we only want to have 5 seconds. Oh, let's give it a little bit longer, it doesn't matter so much. Your nice background, maybe it's a little bit too much. So add here maybe a black color and not this dark blue, also black color. And maybe this is what you prefer. And also the red is quite intensive, so we go here down a little bit. Okay, so we already have a nice background. So what's next? You want to add a text. We can go here on the titles. Where should your title appear? In the lower third, middle, right hand lower third. You want to add a scroll text or a text with special effects, or here already some pre-made titles. But in our case, maybe I just take here, for the simplicity of it, another outline here. So new outlines. Of course you can add your text. And you see, if I play it from the beginning, it comes here, flashes, and that's it. That's your little intro. So as said, to keep it simple, you also can add an additional text, maybe your name. Just put it also on top here. Select it. As we don't have audio, I can resize it a little bit here. Whatever. Change your font. Make it a little bit smaller. Should you not see, of course, the inspector, just by clicking around here, you see what you can do. Basically, you cannot break anything here. And now I want also to have it maybe here at the lower position. So you can enter your values here, or by scrubbing here, click and drag, you see x-axis and y-axis. I put it down here. So again, if I play it, at the beginning nothing, and now this pops in. Both at the same time, maybe I don't want that, so you can enlarge it here, or resize it, better said. And you want to have it fading in, and not so suddenly. Duck, here is my name. I don't want that maybe, so I just make it even bigger. You see, if I hover over the video track 3 here, which is, here my name is Sasha, you see those white markers here, those you can click and drag to here, for example, and now you see what's happening. If I scrub here, it's fading in, which is quite nice actually. Also here maybe with my video tutorial, you want to have it a little bit quicker here, but maybe you also want to fade it in. So here it comes, and my name is Sasha. That's it, that's your intro. As simple as that. And now, maybe similar than Photoshop, you want to group this. Actually, now you're finished with this part, so you can take those and say, I want to create a new compound clip. How you want to call it? Intro, create, and this is now like grouped. So inside the media pool, you also see how this one is automatically created for us. I delete it here, backspace, I drag it back in, and you see, oh nice, we already have it again. So with this we can go, for example, back into our timeline 1, where we had our video, our screen recording. And so for the sake of it, in front of it I want to have my intro. So take it, drag and drop. Again, maybe select it that I don't take up this lot of space, and create a new compound clip. Put it on the video line 1, and now of course there are always several ways. I just make up something, but there are so many possibilities to drag and drop and to lead out or ripple the video clips together. So if I play it from here now, see my first video tutorial, my name is Sasha, and now finally we're starting. Obviously you want to have a little bit a nice transition here. So under Effects Library, Video Transitions, you see we already have quite a lot. So the normal one is the cross dissolve. Well, let's take the smooth cut, drag and drop it here. And let's see what's happening. You see how it's nicely transitioning. Okay, same thing, of course, you can go to the very back, either doing a new timeline. I just create a new effect here, and maybe a solid color this time. The solid color, let's keep it black, you could change it here. And add another title. Same thing here. Neo outline. Put it here on top. And type whatever you like. Fade it out here. Also add a video transition here in between. Maybe a barn door. And now let's see what's happening. Finished. And this is your finished movie. So for this, export it to your media. And I really do hope you learned something out of this video, although we were switching around quite a lot. This was now particular with DaVinci, but you can achieve the same things, of course, with any other professional cutting software. But the best thing is, again, to watch tutorials. There are so many around, very, very good ones. Some are also bad, but bad is maybe the quality. But out of every video tutorial, you learn something. So I hope even out of mine, and yeah, see you next time again. Thanks a lot, and Bye for now.